As a software engineer, have you ever been unable to solve a particular problem or felt clueless about where to even start? It is crucial to recognize when to take a step back and ask yourself, what fundamental knowledge am I missing? Simply trying hard is not always the right solution. You might solve the problem, but there could be a better way. It's not just about knowing a lot, it's about identifying what you don't know and fill those gaps. That's what elite engineers do all the time. Today we will explore 5 key areas they focus on to excel and continuously improve, setting them apart in their field. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Sanjay. On this channel, I aim to help you enhance your software engineering skills. You can expect tips on productivity, insights into what software engineering really involves, and advice on how to navigate your career effectively. Let's get started. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude. Thank you for believing in me and becoming part of our growing community as we nearly approaching 100 subscribers. Okay, first up, let's dive into coding skills for software engineers. Is mastering coding really the key to becoming a top-notch software engineer? Let's explore this together and see what it takes. What is a competent coder? When you think of a competent coder, what image comes in your mind? Maybe someone who works at a big tech company like Google or Microsoft, who is skilled at writing code and solve complex problems, and who has mastered data structure and algorithm through countless hours on lead code. That is a part of it. But there is more to being a competent coder than just that. Thinking back to my university days, I recall the excitement of working alongside with my tutor to create and launch our own social media website. The thrilling of seeing our projects come to life was unforgettable. It truly made me feel I was on top of the world as a software engineer. Yet, reflecting on those moments, now I realized just how much I still had to learn. Back then, my approach was pretty hacky. I just wrote code to somehow make it work without thinking about the future. It's like building a house on shaky ground. It might stand for a while, but eventually it's fall down. True skill in coding is not just about quick fixes. It's about planning and building solutions that are strong from the start. Top software engineers focus on 4 important qualities: efficiency, maintainability, scalability, and robustness. Let's take a closer look at each of it. Efficiency in software engineering is about crafting software that delivers lightning fast performance with lean resource uses. It's the art of writing optimized code, leveraging smart algorithms, and utilizing database optimization to ensure snappy response times. Maintainability in software development is the strategic art of crafting clearly structured, well-documented code that stands the test of time. It's about writing code with descriptive naming and refined modularity, ensuring that future updates are seamless and the evolution of the application is smooth. By adhering to the coding standard and making changes with automated tests, maintainable code becomes the bedrock for sustainable and adaptable software solutions. Scalability. Scalability is the strategic foresight in software design that ensures a system can gracefully handle increased load and growth. It's about building an infrastructure that can expand horizontally, adding more servers or resources to maintaining optimal performance and availability. Scalable systems are designed to optimize cost and support continuous innovation. Ensure that in demand surge, the system remains robust and responsive. Robustness. Think of robustness in software like constructing a top shield that can handle anything thrown at it. It includes important practices such as exception handling, which helps the software recovery smoothly from errors by catching and managing them properly to avoid crashes. Input validation is another key practice where the software checks all users' input to ensure they are correct and safe, preventing unexpected problems. Resilience is the name of the game. So take a bit to reflect. When you are designing solutions and architecturing systems, are you truly considering these 4 pillars? If not, it's time to level up your coding game and join the rank of the competent coding elite. Did you find yourself trying to solve all the problems yourself and feeling like no one in the team is working as hard as you. Do you know what is the solution? It is teamwork. Okay, let's address the lone wolf mentality that plunges so many of us software engineers. When you first started your career, there is a thrill to being the self-resilient coding machine, isn't it? There, just you, your true IDE and world of problem to solve. But as you progress in your career, that approach becoming a liability. Believe me, I have been there. The overly self-sufficient engineer struggling to gather context and make informed decisions. On my current project with a UK client, we have separate front-end, back-end and data teams operating in an intricate web of dependency. Without seamless teamwork and cross-team collaboration, everything grind to a halt. Talk about painful bottleneck. You see, top engineers knows that working well with others is essential. Think of it as having 5 super skills. Communication skills. It's crucial to communicate effectively. This means clearly expressing your ideas, actively listening to your teammates, offering constructive feedbacks and not hesitating to ask for help when needed. Flexibility and adaptability. The nature of software project is often fluid, with frequent changes in direction or unexpected changes. Being adaptable allow you to adjust quickly to new requirements, technologies and shift into the dynamics. Reliability and responsibility. Being dependable is essential. You should consistently meet your deadline, produce quality work, and own up to your contributions as well as your mistakes. Positive attitude. A positive and open attitude is vital for a collaborative and healthy work environment. It encourages receptiveness to new ideas and boosts team morale. Collaborative mindset. Recognize that the success of a project depends on the entire team's effort, not just individual achievements. Be ready to share knowledge, work together on tasks, and support your colleagues' efforts. Google's insight from Project Aristotle highlight the importance of psychological safety for the team performance. When you evaluate your collaborative skills, you will unlock new levels of growth and impact. Productivity. Now I know what you might be thinking. With all this teamwork and adding value to others, how can I possibly keep up with my own deliverables? An elite software engineer's superpower lies in the ability to harmonize productivity with teamwork. You see, just helping others consistently without delivering your own quality work is a path to burnout and stagnation. To truly ascend, you need a system for taking charge of your time and energy. Here is the 3 vital keys. Prioritize your work. Focus on tasks that have the most impact and align with your goals. This helps concentrate your effort on what is most important, making your work more efficient. Manage your time better. Effective time management is key. Plan your day, set time limits for your tasks and avoid procrastination. Recognize when you are most productive and schedule your most challenging tasks for those periods. Take self-care seriously. Maintaining focus requires good self-care. This includes getting enough sleep, eating well, staying active, and taking breaks to recharge both mentally and physically. Managing stress and keeping a healthy work-life balance are also crucial components of effective self-care. When you strike the delicate balance of teamwork and personal productivity, you become a multiplier of value. You elevate your teammate while also elevating yourself and your own contributions. It's true win-win. Problem solving and decision making. With teamwork, coding skills and productivity superpower activated, you are now equipped to tackle one of the most crucial aspects of elite software engineering: effective problem solving and decision making. You see, it's not just about solving problems. It's about solving them collaboratively in a way that yield the highest quality solution. And that required a finely tuned process honed by a greatest engineering minds. From my experience, an effective approach involves several collaborative steps. Gathering information. Start by collecting all relevant data, understand the problem and any limitations. This is the foundation for finding viable solution. Finding solution options. With all the necessary information, brainstorm potential solutions. This step often requires creative thinking and tapping into the expertise of your team members to consider different approaches. Communicating with team. Once you have some potential solution, discuss them with your team. Good communication here ensures that everyone's view are considered and everyone understands the options. Making a decision. Finally, deciding together on the best solution, considering how effective, feasible and impactful each option is. See, effective problem solving is not about any one person's ability. It's about harnessing the collaborative genius of the team through a fine-tuned process. Continuous growth. At the core of every elite software engineer's origin story is a unyielding commitment to continuous growth. The hunger to learn, to evolve, to transcend current limitations, that fire must constantly burn within you. Now it is important not to view learning as a scattered reactive process. True mastery requires you to be strategic and intentional in your development. Here is the 5-step system to propel your growth into hyperdrive. Goal setting. Clarify your bigger career vision. Reverse engineer your structured plan. Map out the skills to develop and how to acquire them over time. Consistent reflection. Routinely examine success, failures to integrate learning. Stay current. Immerse yourself into the latest tech trend and resource like the pragmatic programmer. Hands-on application. Actually build things and put new knowledges into practice. You see, elite engineers never stop growing. They are constantly sharpening their tools, adapting to new technologies and techniques. It's a lifelong journey of evolution and transcendence. If you are looking to accelerate your growth as a software engineer, it's crucial to develop your own system for growth. Check out this video which will guide you in creating a personalized growth system to streamline your development. Becoming a great software engineer is not a one-time event. It is an ongoing journey. You don't have to master the 5 skills right away. Just by committing to continuous improvements and taking steps forward, you will find yourself growing into a great engineer. Over time, you will notice changes in your work that others will admire and perhaps even envy. By consistently following this path, you will add tremendous value to your organization, clients, and colleagues. They will come to rely on you as an indispensable part of the team. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye.